Hi guys, Polly and Nina here from Property Brokers. Today we're at 1A Glen Place. This is a cracking good 2-bedroom home. It's got, the bedrooms are really generous. It's got a new kitchen, a spacious lounge, stucco exterior.
Yep, and it's got a nice little courtyard that's fenced off, which is perfect for kids and pets. We're also just a stone's throw from the new bridge and the riverwalks, and if you want to commute to Massey on your little e-bike, it's easy peasy. So you guys need to come and have a look. So if you're looking to downsize and you want a nice, compact, safe little home, it's got the garage, you need to come and have a look at this.
Absolutely, and as we say, the location's mint. Hey, we're Polly and Nina, and we're the PNN in Palmerston North Real Estate.